No, our views on the equity markets are extremely constructive. Whenever such a thing happens and talk of valuations have to look at it from the broader market perspective. Yes, some parts of the market when this kind of buying happens might be expensive, but when some parts of the market become expensive, it opens the rest of the market to be fairly valued, and we are probably in that situation. The old cliched term of a stock pickers or a bottom of stock picker market is actually correct now. And when you look at it from the next 3-5 year perspective, our view is some parts of the market which have become fairly attractive could start a play from here on. The much needed diversification of the market is probably what can happen from here. We don't see much downside of the market as we speak.
As far as SIPs are concerned, and you were pretty bullish when even in your presentation you were speaking that this is a big boom as we speak. Do you expect this to sustain as far as SIP is concerned?
I mean, for the last 5 years, I was saying that there is no stoppage to this because the number of investors is just getting added. The financialization of assets is just about beginning in the country. So this is now beginning to become the go-to vehicle of investing for a lot of people in the country, and I don't see that stopping. It will only grow from here.
Any benchmark there for SIP?
So I would really like if the number of investors continue to double from here every time. Forget the AUM or the amount is an outcome. At this moment, with the stock markets and economy as it is, our job should be to add new investors, and in that I see that number doubling in the next 1-2 years for sure.
As far as themes and sectors are concerned, if you could speak a little bit more on that, what's your view on stocks such as sectors such as defense, PSUs, etc., banking sector, your view on that?
So I think when you look at us from a portfolio level, we've also always maintained that defense and PSU have not figured very highly in our portfolio. So that's our answer to where it stands. But banks have to be differentiated in two parts, PSU banks and private banks. I think our house view is private banks are very attractively placed here, and it's our top allocation in our portfolios. But, themes like healthcare, which includes pharma, are also a very good play for us. I think today when you look at consumption, it looks very attractive. So banking, consumption, healthcare remain our top draw from here on. Like I said, we will see broad basing of the market, and some of the themes which played and have done good work for investors, their fresh allocation should go into themes which hold great promise have probably not run. That's how you make money in the long run.